Yeah, people, 4th of July, people. We're there in the Bronx, we're there in New York. We're just there, you know, to give thanks, you know. Right from the window. Yeah, right from the window. Right. Brother, go suck your mother and come out from my life. Go suck your mother. Yeah, people, make sure you like up the live. We're not big enough for Alex, big up yourself in you. Like up the live. Yeah, man, be nice guy too much, man, you see, man. People them this one coming to come disrespect me and things. Suck on the mother. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Alex. Big up your damn self, bro. People don't know what me I got through, bro. Think I saw things, bro. Things hard, you know. Yeah, people, big up on yourself, you know. It's a boy, keep it real, Andrae, see? Yeah, man. We not new. I ban them. Not big no friend. People, sorry about that, you know. But sometimes you just have to just make it be known. You see me? Big up armor real. Big up armor real. Bro, I don't care, brother. I don't want to talk about it. Them suck them mother. I don't care. No matter about.